Hi everyone, it's me, Hello Ia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pastel look with the Morphe 35I Icy Fantasy palette. This palette was made in collaboration with Pony Park, who is one of my favorite makeup artists. I love her so much, and this palette is so beautiful. So before we get started, I'm going to take off my glasses and pin back my hair. So first things first, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. All right, eyelids are primed and we are ready to go. So let's take a look at this gorgeous palette. This is just such a pastel rainbow dream. I fell in love with it. Not at first sight, actually. I fell in love with it at second sight. Like, some of these shimmer shades were just so gorgeous that I was like, darn, I think I have to get this palette. And obviously I did. Today we're going to be doing a very rainbow look. I want to kind of recreate the look that Pony Park did for one of the photos in the ad campaign, where she's got like a rainbow through blue on the top, and then under the lash line it's purple, and then she's got like some shimmer shade on the lid and on her brow bone. So that's what we're gonna do today. So the one nice thing about this look is that you can pretty much do the whole thing with one brush and your finger. So today I'm going to be using the Colourpop E19. I stained it purple. I did clean this brush. It's stained now, so I'm gonna try and clean it better later. So first we're going to start on the very inner portion of our crease with the color Sky High. Next, we're going to jump in with the orange color Coral Cloud. I already like how that looks. Okay, so for the yellow and green colors, we're going to go in with Wishful and then Echo, one right after the other. Okay, so for our blue shades, we're gonna go into Chill, Thrill, and into the blue, and use those in the outer part of the crease. So this was actually like the second or third time Seabass had jumped up on the table or piano at this point, and you can see that I'm trying so hard to stay patient with him. But I'm also trying to film a video. And for the I'm so sorry. Seabass, can you stop going crazy, please? He says no. Okay, for the lower lash line, we're gonna finish the bright colors here with Dreamer, the purple shade, and we're just gonna run that along the lower lash line. I really like how that's coming out. It's so pretty. These colors blend together so easily, and we're not quite done yet. So the last things that I want to do here is use one of these like shimmery shades to put on my inner corner and a little bit on the lid, and then also to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to use the shade Euphoria, one of my favorite BTS songs, and Brilliant to highlight my inner corner and do a little bit of sparkle on the lid. So I'm going to take my brush in Euphoria, same brush, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And I'm also going to kind of follow the hollow of my crease. And this color is so beautiful. It looks almost whitish gray in the pan, but it's actually got like this purpley pink shift to it. I'm going to use that same shade on my brow bone. And then I'm going to take my finger in Brilliant and just tap that on the inner half of my lid for a little extra sparkle. That completes that part of the eye look. I do want to finish the look with the tiniest little eyeliner and then mascara, and then a little or maybe a lot of highlighter, glitter, sparkles, all of that. So I will be right back. Okay, and that completes the look. I really love this palette. I am so obsessed with this look. I think I will probably be recreating it many, many times during the spring and summer and fall and winter, what the heck. I think this palette is beautiful. There's so many unique colors and formulas. For $25, I think the palette is worth it, but hey, it's your money, so you decide. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this look, and if there's anything you want to see in the future, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, say hi to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!